trust me, I have been so demotivated in my life that I stopped doing literally anything. Make me stand out from the crowd. You don't have to go everywhere to be the person that, oh my god, I'm the winner. I am so different from other. I am the special. You can take this advice. Welcome to the things that no one tells you about growth. And I am not here to lecture you, but have a real conversation that people take too long to take in life. One of the things that we all face is when someone is talking so seriously, talking so directly, talking like so emotionally distant, our mind creates a story immediately. We're like, oh my god, am I the problem? Why are they acting so rude? Why are they being so arrogant? Oh my god, I don't like them. They're so egoistic. Let me tell you something. Sometimes it's not even about us at all. And sometimes even it's not about you at all. This is the thing that we all forget. Those people who are ahead of us have more things going on in their life that we cannot see yet. They have more responsibility, they are more focused, and they have more deadlines than us. And that shift of mindset sometimes feel personal, even when it's not. Listen, that doesn't mean that your feelings are wrong. We all are humans and we all feel something. But that doesn't mean that you will be emotional in every situation. Instead of thinking that why did this hurt me, start thinking that what is this situation trying to teach me? What should I learn from this situation? Why am I acting like this in this situation when I can be like normal? You don't have to take everything personally because that is a professional environment, and that's the biggest mistake that most of us make. We have to be professional in the professional environment and the growth environment. We don't have to take those things personally because they are not emotionally aligned with you. They are getting their work done, but you don't have to be emotionally aligned with every person you meet or every person you're working with. That is where the shift of mindset comes. Okay, let me tell you something important. No one actually corrects the person they have given up on. Like, think about that for a second. I am correcting you because I care about you and I think that you will change and I see that potential in you. People stop growing because they stop getting those feedbacks. Not because they are perfect, but because no one expects anything from them. They know that they're not going to change and they're going to take that thing personally and to their ego. And you don't have to be like that. And here's what I want you to remember. Sometimes when someone is above you, they're not trying to make you feel that they are better than you. Or when someone is doing better than you, they're not trying to make you feel small. It's just sometimes they're doing their job and they have the responsibility. That's okay. Trust me, those people are not really special. They just started earlier and they're further because of that. And you can do that too. But you have to accept yourself first and you have to accept your failures. You have to be open to learning. You have to separate your ego aside. When you get a feedback, you have to improve yourself instead of taking things personal and thinking that that person is being so rude to you, or they are arrogant. Trust me, this is going to help so much. In order to be optimistic, don't keep that pessimistic energy on yourself. That just gives off a negative vibe and no one actually will like to work with you in any environment. You have to be optimistic and have a positive mindset. That shift of mindset is going to make you grow. Like, see, if I have to choose a team of 5 people, I am going to choose the most optimistic and positive person that are motivated to do that work instead of the one that always start complaining. Oh my god, I cannot do that. You're being like that, you're being like that. No, I will never. I want those positive people who can work in any situation. They will find positivity in any situation to create a good environment of studying, to create a good environment to invest time in that project. No one actually likes to work with the people who have negative mind and they are pessimistic. Trust me, that shift of mindset from being negative to positive, from being pessimistic to optimistic, is going to create a very big shift of your mind and in your lifestyle. You don't have to go everywhere to be the person that, oh my god, I'm the winner. No, you have to start learning, you have to start receiving things, you have to learn from your seniors and winners. You have to go there as a person that who is there to have the experience. I am here to gain the experience, and if I win, then that's cool, and if I don't, that I have actually gained some experience, and that is what going to make that shift, and that is what going to make you positive and motivated for the next other two participations. Trust me, this is going to help you so much. I have been so demotivated in my life that I stopped doing literally anything for myself, for my growth, or for my mindset. I made a very big halt in myself, and that what stopped making me grow. And these little shifts that I have been making since months have really helped me to grow apart and to make me stand out from the crowd. And I am not here to be like, okay, I am so different from other, I am the special. No, but I'm here to give you the real experience of what happened and how I overcame that. I have been demotivated and I've made that shift, and that helped me. And you can take that too. You can take this advice and you can make that shift too. And that is going to help you so much. So, this was all about things no one tells you about growth. And if you liked it, stay with the series.